Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a project share that I started yesterday in my live video, and I finished up a little while ago, and I thought I'd share it with you. Plus, I made a couple extra things. So yesterday in my live video, I used the wooden dominoes. Now I sand the top of my wooden dominoes off to get the numbers and the little dots, and then I painted it with the chalkboard paint from the Dollar Tree. I love that. And I made tags for my packages. Oh, see, here's one I did. And I'll show you real quick how I do this. Just in case you don't want to go watch a live video. It's really easy, guys. Real easy. Take me a piece of sandpaper. And I just go along the edges a couple of times. Get that nice little edge of the paint off. I get it to look like that. Then I take a paint marker. And you don't have to, you know, I just add it for, I think it looks cool, like a little stitch running around it. I go all the way around. And then I just take a piece of string, and I've been using this from the Dollar Tree. I put it through the hole, and I punch out the hole with my crocodile. And if you're really careful, you will not split the wood. And I just add some beads, add a little eyelash trim, and boom. So I made a whole bunch. Well, not a whole bunch, but enough. I may have to make a few more, because I thought I'd make the ones as I go for the grandkids. So far I've made each one of the grandkids, I want to say 2 each. I even made me a set just to put on our trees. I thought they were cute. I thought they'd make cute little ornaments, so I'm just going to put them on our tree. But then, I also had these stars that I think there was like 4 or 5 to a package from the Dollar Tree or somewhere. I don't even for sure where I got them. But I did this. Added a couple bells. And this is what it looks like on a package. I have one package wrapped for a grandkid, and it's Lakotas. I did have a tag on there, but I put that. But ain't that cute? And they have the ornament. Now, they also, look at how it looks just with, just like that. I thought they were so cute, easy to make. I mean, I'm thinking, what a cute little gift. And if you're on a budget, I mean, you get a package of these. Like I said, they might be from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General for like $4 or $4. There was 4 to the package. And look at, I mean, you get a whole package. You can still find these of the wooden dominoes. But you know what? It's called Wood Depot or something here in Green Bay. They have little flat pieces of wood for a little or nothing too. So check your Home Depot. You'd be surprised. And all I did is paint them. So that's this bunch. Okay, move these out of the way. Then I made some cute ones with just some little trucks on, just for ornaments. Made a little gnome one. I had one little gnome left. I had the little snowman, the little camper, and then another little truck. So it's a cute little ornament. These are little ornaments that are from the Dollar Tree. I don't remember where I got these now. These from last year. I want to say Hobby Lobby. So I have just one left. And look, it made little, I mean, these are ornaments, but doesn't it just look added to it instead of just hanging this? So I did them, just like the little trucks. Then Sabrina and I are doing 25 Days of Christmas. And she gave me these cool ornaments today, because you will see this after that video loads. And I thought they were the coolest thing. They were little silver deer heads. And I took it and I put it on one of these. And I just did the outline. I added some beads and some eyelash trim on the top. I thought they were so cool. Those were going to be going on my tree. But I'm thinking, what a nice little gift. If you're on a budget, you figure a package of those, I imagine they're from the Dollar Tree, for $1, and you get 4 ornaments. If you have some beads, you got the one in Dominoes, you can dress them up a little bit, and it's a nice little gift. So I just wanted to share these with you. And it's amazing what you can do with a little of something. Always think out of the box. I mean, if I would have opened this, like, I mean, when I opened the deer heads, I was like, oh my God, I can't wait to alter them. I'm always altering things because it's amazing. But wouldn't that be a cute little gift for somebody, your neighbor? You just want to get them a little something. So here you go. Just some little handy ideas that you can make. I would love to receive something like that. I mean, I did receive the heads, but you know what I mean. Because then it's got a little bit of your twist to it, too. What the heck is going on here? Okay, they're stuck together somehow. And I don't know how. There we go. Jesus. Just a little bit of twist to them. It's amazing what you can do with the things from the Dollar Tree, actually. You know? So, it's always easy when you have, you know. So thanks for watching, everybody, and have a good day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.